Imagine browsing a brand new website you have never seen before. How do you know what to click on or what actions you can take without being given a manual or prior instructions? You simply follow the links and forms presented to you. This natural discovery process is exactly what a crucial concept in API design aims to achieve. Yes, Hypermedia as the engine of application state, or HATEOAS, is indeed a fundamental architectural principle for truly RESTful systems. It is not merely an optional feature or a nice-to-have, but a core component that distinguishes a fully RESTful API from one that simply uses HTTP verbs and uniform resource identifiers. The why behind HATEOAS is rooted in the uniform interface constraint, one of the foundational principles of REST as defined by Dr. Roy Fielding. This constraint dictates that the API should be entirely self-descriptive. A client should not need prior knowledge of how to interact with the API beyond an initial entry point. HATEOAS achieves this by embedding hypermedia controls, essentially links, directly within the representations of resources. These links inform the client about the available actions and transitions possible from the current state. In practice, implementing HATEOAS means that when a client requests a resource, the server responds not only with the data for that resource but also with links to related resources or available operations. For instance, if you retrieve an order, the response might include links to cancel order, view customer details, or add item. The client then navigates the application state purely by following these links, rather than constructing uniform resource identifiers from templates or hard-coded rules. This dynamic interaction drastically reduces the coupling between client and server, making the system more resilient to changes. This concept is often illustrated using the Richardson maturity model, a framework that describes the levels of adherence to REST principles. A fully HATEOAS-compliant API is considered to be at level 3 of this model. This level signifies an API that not only uses resources and HTTP verbs but also leverages hypermedia controls to drive application state transitions. Without HATEOAS, an API may be using many aspects of REST, but it technically falls short of achieving the true benefits of a hypermedia-driven architecture. Ultimately, embracing HATEOAS fosters a powerful degree of discoverability and evolvability within your application programming interfaces. By providing clients with all necessary navigation information directly within the resource representations, your APIs can change and expand without breaking existing client implementations, leading to more robust and flexible distributed systems.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.